while students can also access it even after hours if they must have access to school after hours. It includes all 6 academies, 3 on the first floor and 3 on the second floor. It has a gym, since it is required by Northwest ISD that all students must have a physical education credit to high school. So we had to have some form of a gym in there. We have a small auditorium. STEM, as we all know, is based around presentation, subsequent auditorium in STEM, because it will mainly be used by them, but it can be used by any other academy. We have a community learning center, which is essentially a library, but more based around computers and studies. And we have daylighting everywhere. Our biggest focus at school was daylighting. We wanted to make sure that every class had a window somewhere. So we had windows all around the school. We have them surrounding the circumference of the school, and we'd also have them on the roof, letting in daylight from the school. The daylighting is in fact proven to increase test scores and to in fact make kids almost more energetic about learning. You should think windows are a bad thing since they cause distractions, but they in fact are a good thing, since it really just kind of frees the kids up and opens up the world. One thing daylighting is good for is it can definitely lower electricity costs. Because sunlight coming into roofs, you do not have to have electricity on, you don't have to have light systems on, which will therefore lower your electricity costs.